Welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'm making my favorite soft and melt-in-your-mouth whipped shortbread cookies. We're using the classic 3-to-1 ratio. That's 3 parts flour, 2 parts butter, and 1 part sugar. To get started, add 1 cup of room temperature unsalted butter to the mixing bowl and whip on high speed for a couple of minutes. Make sure to scrape the sides of the bowl throughout to get everything mixed evenly. Now add half a cup of icing sugar and mix on high speed for 5 minutes. It will turn lighter in color and fluffy. Before adding the dry ingredients, this is where you can add vanilla or other flavorings you like. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I add a little at a time to not make a mess. As soon as the flour is mixed in, stop the mixer because you don't want to form gluten. That will make a chewier cookie, but for shortbread we're going for a crumbly texture. Use a spatula to mix any flour that's at the bottom of the bowl. Scoop the cookies with a small cookie scoop. Roll into a small ball with your hands and press down with a fork. I top mine with sprinkles, but that's optional. This recipe will make 24 cookies. Bake in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes, until the bottoms are a nice golden color. And that's it! Fast and easy to make, especially because they require no chilling. If you give this recipe a try, let us know in the comments how they turned out. Thanks for watching! Bye!